Good morning, everybody. I am beyond excited this morning to introduce you to the new Agentic app builder from Oracle. If you're new to Agentic applications, these are fully reasoning, fully thinking applications where everything you see is being reasoned through an agent, where you can ask questions in natural language and get instant responses. We're very, very excited through GitHub to announce that our AI skill, our VS Code plugin, and our CLI to make all this work will be publicly available. And so you can use the tools that you're familiar with. We're going to give you some examples to see, and you can see how we build the apps because we use the exact same tools internally. But you can go into Codex and start building these applications yourself or your tool of your choice. And here I'm building an application. I'm a sales manager and I want to build something new for a new product that I'm delivering. And automatically, this will pick up my AI Studio skill. It'll use the CLI to connect to your Fusion instance, see what data you have available, what capabilities that you might have, and then start designing the app for you. So here we can see that it's discovered a few different data sources. It's trying to confirm some of the behavior. I can now tweak these, add actions, communications. In fact, maybe we'll go back and do that in just a minute. And then when I'm ready, when I'm happy with the plan, I can just say, yeah, just do it. Just go for it. And so we'll let this turn for a little bit. And what this is doing is working through our skill, our knowledge of how to build these agentic applications. And just in a few minutes, we can end up with something that's pretty amazing. Now, not only that, but we are generating tests so that you can have some confidence in how these applications are generated. And one of the great things now is that we can sort of verify the results as it builds. And then we can also look at the model quality. So, some models are more expensive than other models, and we can see which models might be cheaper. When we're happy with that, we can then open up these built artifacts in VS Code and see the application right there. So just in a matter of about 10 minutes, we built this app. Now, let's go a little bit further, and I want to create that PowerPoint presentation. I can do that right through Codex, and just in a few minutes again, here it is. So I can iteratively build the apps. So an app builder is not just sort of a one-shot deal, but I can come in here and add more and more functionality as I go along. Super powerful stuff.